Let's be real. Belly fat is stubborn, frustrating, and sometimes feels impossible to get rid of. But guess what? You're not alone in this. We've all been there, standing in front of the mirror, wondering if those crunches will ever pay off. The good news? You can lose that stubborn belly fat if you have the right plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to Strength Nest. If you're new here, I'm James, and today we're diving deep into the real deal about losing belly fat, with exercises that work and diet tips that won't make you feel like you're starving. Let's crush it together. Why belly fat is so stubborn. First, let's talk about why belly fat is so hard to lose. It's not just about doing hundreds of sit-ups. Belly fat is influenced by your hormones, stress levels, sleep, and of course, diet. The key is to take a balanced approach. If you're only working out but not eating right, you're fighting an uphill battle. So today, I'll give you both effective exercises and realistic diet tips that fit into your life. Top 3 belly fat exercises. Exercise number 1, plank with shoulder taps for 1 minute. This one's a core killer. Get into a plank position, tap your shoulders one at a time without letting your hips twist. This engages your core like crazy and helps burn belly fat. Exercise number 2, Russian twists for 1 minute. Grab a weight or even a water bottle. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist from side to side. This targets those obliques, the side muscles that help shape your waistline. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers for 1 minute. This one gets your heart rate up and works your core. Get into a high plank and start running your knees toward your chest. Keep going for 30 to 60 seconds. Tips. Do these exercises in a circuit, 3 rounds, resting for 30 seconds between each round. You'll feel the burn, trust me. Realistic diet. Tips for belly fat. Number 1, cut down on sugar, not carbs. Cutting out all carbs isn't sustainable, but reducing sugar, that's where the magic happens. Start with your drinks. Ditch sodas and sugary coffee. Even small changes make a huge difference. Number 2, eat more protein and healthy fats. Protein keeps you full and helps your body burn more calories. Add foods like eggs, chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your friends. Number 3, hydrate and sleep. Well, sounds basic, right? But drinking enough water and getting good sleep helps reduce stress hormones that cause belly fat. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Mindset matters. Here's the thing. Losing belly fat isn't just physical, it's mental too. Be patient with yourself. You're not going to see results overnight, and that's okay. What matters is consistency. If you fall off track, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on. Progress, not perfection. Remember, your fitness journey is yours. Don't compare your progress to someone else's. Just keep going. I believe in you, and I'm here to help every step of the way. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Strength Nest, and drop a comment below with your favorite tip from today. Let's keep growing stronger together. See you next time, and remember, you've got this. Subscribe for more workouts, tips, and mindset hacks to help you become the best version of yourself. Let's build that Strength Nest together.